Hey guys, it's Erin from Medisolv, here to talk about MVP reporting. MVP in the world of CMS stands for MIPS value pathways. This new way of reporting under the quality payment program is about gathering measurement data on specialty providers. The traditional reporting program called MIPS will be replaced with MVP reporting. The problem CMS found with MIPS reporting was that most provider groups chose to report on measures that were relevant to most providers within their group, such as diabetes A1C. But this made it hard to see how well certain specialists like anesthesiologists were doing. CMS wants to get performance data on measures that are relevant to each specialty within a group. MVP solves this problem by creating pathways for each of those specialties. So a subgroup of anesthesiologists can select measures within their particular MVP pathway, and they're all relevant to that specialty. This solves the problem for CMS. The issue is that it adds a significant amount of complication and effort for those who are in charge of reporting for each specialty in their group. Under MIPS, they only had to do one submission of 6 total measures, and that would cover all providers in their group. But now, they will have to submit 4 measures for each MVP. If you have 10 different specialists in your group, that's 10 separate MVP submissions, which could mean a total of 40 separate measures. This can quickly become complex, especially for a large multi-specialty group. In 2025, there are a total of 21 different MVP pathways, each of which are focused on a particular specialty, like women's health or gastroenterology or primary care. It can be hard to know where to start, so I've got 2 guides for you. One resource is an eBook to review your MVP requirements. The other is a great Excel guide that our clinical advisors at Medisolv made. It's a long list of all the measures and MVP pathways for 2025. You can filter by a measure or MVP, and it will help you to see which measures are available in which MVP. Hopefully, this will help you to make some decisions about which measures to build out for your specialists. Medisolv supports all MVP and provides expert guidance on navigating those reporting requirements. So give us a call if you'd like to get started on your MVP reporting journey this year.